students, today we are going to discuss the basic of division. Let's take a small example, 96 divided by 7. Fine. So in division we always start going to the highest place value digit. Like this is ones, this is 10, so we are going to start with 9, which is having the highest place value. So we will in the table of 7 we will have to find out the digit or the number whose value is either equal or less than this digit. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So it will be 7 1 ja 7, as 14 is greater than this. Then we have to subtract it. Fine. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Then brought down the next digit from the above, it will be 6. Now we will have to find out any digit in the table of 7 which is either equal to or less than 26. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. So 28 is bigger, so we will take 3 here, so it will be 21. So again subtract it, it will be 5. Subtract kiya. So in this 7 is called divisor. What we call it? D-I-V-I-S-O-R. This 7 is called as divisor. This 13, the answer, is called as quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient. Fine. This 5 is called as remainder. Remainder is left over, जो बच गया है हमारे पास. And this 96 is called as dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Fine. So जो जिससे हम डिवाइड करते हैं, which is divisor, जिसको डिवाइड करते हैं, it is dividend, and the answer is quotient, and leftover नीचे is remainder. These are the basics of division. So there is a relationship between divisor, quotient, remainder and dividend. So if we multiply divisor and quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Like in the last question we have done, 7 was divisor, 13 was our answer which was quotient, plus 5 was remainder is equal to 96 was our dividend. So 13 7 ja 91 plus 5, 96 equal to 96. This way we can prove that divisor multiplied by quotient. हम इसको short form में भी लिख सकते हैं. Divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Fine. This way. This is the formula for it. Now let's take simple divisions. 5708 divided by 8. So we'll have to start from this number, highest place value number, but we cannot take 5 because it is already less than 8. So we will take 57 in this case. Fine. So now in 50, what is the number which is less than 57 in the table of 8? 7 ja 56. Now subtract it. 7 minus 6 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0. Now what will come down is 0. Now in 10 we will have to check what is less than 10 in the table of 8. It is 8 1 ja 8. Fine. Again subtract it. So it will be 2. Now again what will come down? 8. So what is there in the table of 8 which is less than 28? It is 3 ja 24. Fine. So subtract it. Subtract करेंगे हम इसे. What we will get? 4. So here our quotient is 713. Next take the 2 digit. Here we will have to take, see, 68 is greater than 5, is greater than 59, as well as, so we cannot take, we will have to take 593 as a whole. Fine. Now we will have to check the table of 68, what comes लेस देन और इक्वल टू 593. सो अब हम पूरा टेबल तो कर नहीं सकते 68 का, हम क्या करेंगे, विल स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग आउट द टेबल ऑफ 6 हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू, क्योंकि यहाँ भी हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू को कंसीडर करते हैं तो यहाँ भी. सो 6 के टेबल में 59 के आसपास क्या आता है, 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, ऐसे ही चेक करेंगे तो 6 9 जा क्या होता है हमारे पास, 6 9 जा 54. So that means what we will have to do, we will have to multiply 68 by 9. What we will get? 9 6 ja 54, 54, this is 61. It is more, so go one step back. So 68 8 ja will be 544. सो हमें कितनी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी पड़ी, एक हमने ये की, एक वन स्टेप बैक. फाइन. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ, क्योंकि इतने लंबे लंबे टेबल किसी को भी याद नहीं होते, सो दिस इज द वे यू चेक द टेबल ऑफ द हाइएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू नंबर इन द डिवाइजर. फाइन. सो नाउ सबट्रैक्ट इट, what you will get 9 4. सो what will come down 7. अब 6 के टेबल में किसको चेक करना है हमें, 49 को. सो 6 के टेबल में 49 के आसपास क्या आता है, 42. 6 7 जा 42. लेट्स टेक इट. सो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 68 बाय 7, व्हाट वी विल गेट, 647. सो इट इज लेस देन 497. सो इट इज 476. नाउ सबट्रैक्ट देम, what we will get, 21. Fine. So this is the basic 2-digit that you can do. Simply you check the table of the highest place value digit of the divisor in order to do it quickly. Thank you.